Hi. Okay, now we've got our rubbed pork butt that was in the fridge for 24 hours, probably even a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my deep Dutch oven. Can you see it? And that way, see, you want a pot that's deep so it'll collect all the fat that the roast is going to give off. And we're going to put it in a very slow oven. By that I mean a low oven. So I have a gas oven that seems to run a little bit hot, so I'm putting it at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you have an electric oven, I would recommend 300. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that beautiful hunk of meat. Sexy. Okay, so I just take the wrap and put it in. Make sure it's fat side up, the fat cap on top. And God, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for at least 6 hours. So by about 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 tonight, I'll take it out and let it rest, and I'll show it to you then. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven. Put you here. And need my pot holders. Pull out the rack. And that's gonna smell amazing and make the house smell amazing. Okay, I'll show you the pork butt when it's done.